Okay, Nick, so I hope that you've gotten over your ridiculous you can't put cheese in desserts thing, which is wrong, and you like tiramisu again, because tiramisu is freaking awesome. So I'm going to just make a tiramisu from the base ingredients and show you how much of an idiot you are for not liking mascarpone in there, because it's technically cheese. Anyway, let's get started. Let's get to the core of the issue that you have, Nick, which is the mascarpone. You know what's in mascarpone? Cream. Frischezana, that just means fresh cream, right? Look, it's frickin' cream. It's just cream. 35% fat. Good. Okay, good. And you know what else is in there? Frickin' lemon juice. That's it. That's what mascarpone is. Don't believe me? Cuddy, right? Okay, that's hard to do with one hand. I'm not doing that with one hand. Okay, now it's in the thing, so now it's squeezy. Yeah. Look at that squeezy, yeah. It's lemon juice. That's it. Now we have our lemon juice. Let's go with the cream now. So what do? We put the cream in the pan, or the pot, or whatever. Look at that. Wow, amazing. We're gonna heat it to about 85 to 88 degrees. Why are we doing that? Because we're gonna denature them proteins, okay? We gotta make that milky, creamy nonsense into a different texture, because that's what fucking cheese is. Okay, getting there. Success. Let's throw in that lemon juice. That's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for 1 liter of cream, just in case you care. Probably don't care. Done the 3 minutes. Now it's off the heat, and it's just gonna sit there for, I don't know, half an hour cooling down, and then we'll do the next bit. That's the next part, is we need to get rid of the liquid, because now there's like solid shit in there, because it's like done chemistry and shit, and whatever. And now we need to get the liquids out, so that's where the cheesecloth comes in. Everyone's heard of cheesecloth, and you've never used it, because what the fuck would you use that for? Well, here we go, right? It's just a strainer, right? We've got like a bowl, catch the liquids, we've got a strainer, and then we've got a, I don't know, fucking cheesecloth, whatever. And that, in like that much time, is gonna go in there. It's been put in here, right? So now that's just gonna like a drippy, and I'm gonna throw it in the fridge for about, it's basically overnight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna make tiramisu with that as the mascarpone. So it's tomorrow. And it came out of the fridge, and now look at it. It's like, oh yeah, look at that shit. Look at that shit. It's still just cream and lemon juice and heat, okay? Like, cheese is a complicated term to use for this. Saying that you don't want to eat this because you think it's like fucking tasty cheese cheddar is kind of ridiculous. I'm hoping this is really getting through here about how ridiculous that is, Nick. Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm gonna put that out of this cheesecloth and put it in a bowl and weigh how much I got from a liter of cream. Okay, so it's not in there anymore. It's in here, and we got 685. This is what's left over, right? That's just like some weird pissy shit. I think that's actually called like whey. You know, like curds and whey or some shit. So that's like the leftover cheese. Anyway, that's cheese making. Like, I just fucking made cheese. Isn't that crazy? Does that look like fucking cheddar to you, Nick?